This is with the backhoe repaired with the steering, and driving it down the hill by the house. One of the things, now you notice when I turn the wheel, the front wheels turn, which is a new development. Pretty encouraging. And when I go on the road, we'll see, I'm going to shift up in gear. With it on the road. It's pretty good. And I was really hesitant before to take it on the road because it leaked out of about 5 of the cylinders, leaked oil really badly, so it would drip all over the road if you tried to drive it. And now it appears that I can drive it on the road without it dropping oil everywhere. Hydraulic fluid. And this is this rebuilt area of the steering box. And the fan, etc. Just have to clean up the parts that cover up the body now and put those back on. Hoping to do that maybe in the next week. But so far the steering and hydraulic system upgrades and hydraulic cylinder upgrades and brake upgrades this spring seem to have worked. Hoorah!